Hi there, I have my GoPro Karma disassembled after an incident where it crashed into the side of my house. I was landing it and the battery became low and it signaled that the battery was low and was returning to locations, and in doing so, where it was almost landed, it took off in elevation and crashed in the side of the house. So I lost all four props, and then this piece here broke. You can see it wiggles. The mount to the plastic is actually what broke. So this thing's junk. So called GoPro, told them about the incident, what happened, and they are going to send a new arm, and they're also going to send 4 new props. And as far as disassemble goes on this, the landing gear comes off first. There's 4 screws, Allen key screws that I took out right on the edges here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it snaps out, and there's a wire that connects to the landing gear right here, which I just took out. This little guy here. After that, you have to get to the arms to get the arms off. These 2 screws here, 2 Allen keys as well, same size, and then get a flathead screwdriver down in here to pull these harnesses out, just like on this side here. And then after that, there's another Allen screw here with a washer that holds that arm in. So, and that's it. There's the arm. The harness runs right through it, and I imagine GoPro is going to send me the whole new thing, the motor, everything, just like you see here. So, be waiting on that. And then to can show you on my security camera is that actually caught what happened as a external view of the drone. As I was landing, and as it notified me of a low battery, it automatically took over the controls and was returning, I believe, to my launch location. But in doing so, it gained its elevation. It gained an elevation. For other things that happened to it, one of these pieces here just clips back in. It bent a little bit. I believe it was this side here, and I just bent it back, clip that back in. I believe that should be fine. And on the top side, we got scuff here. I imagine that's what hit the pavement, and right here. So I believe this side is probably what hit the house, and then it landed on this side here. See in the video, there's no sensors on this unit, so when it crashed and it landed on the ground, the props just kept spinning as if it was in flight. I called GoPro. I told them that the incident was about a half-hour phone conversation, and they're going to send me a new arm, new props, and you know, it's pretty simple to take apart. But you know, if it had those sensors, even if it had that automatic return feature, this wouldn't have happened, because it would have not flown into the house on its own. But this is where I'm at.